Hi all, my name is Asmit. Today we are going to see Chapter 6 Lines and Angles of Grade 9. Okay. Topics which we are going to study today are mainly four basic concepts we are going to see. First is adjacent angles, second linear pair of angles, third vertically opposite angles, and fourth intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a first common vertex, second a common arm, and third their non-common arms are on the different sides of the common arm. So you can see there are three conditions and the two angles has to satisfy, or I can say must satisfy, all the three conditions if we have to say that they are adjacent angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC. Here is an example of adjacent angles. Let's see whether these two angles are satisfying all the three conditions. Angle ABD and angle DBC. They have a common vertex B. So first condition is satisfied. Then second one, they have a common arm BD. So second condition is also satisfied. They have a common arm. And third one, they are non-common arms. Here BA and BC are non-common arms. So this BA and BC, the non-common arms, are on the different sides of the common arm. Different sides means one is on the left side, other is on the right side. So all the three criteria are satisfied. Therefore, we can say angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angles. Let's move to the second concept, that is linear pair of angles. If non-common arms of the two angles form a line, then the pair of angles are called as linear pair of angles. Let's see the example. In this diagram, we have two angles. One is angle ABD and other is angle DBC. So the non-common arms or the non-common rays are ray BA and ray BC. Okay. We can see here in the diagram that ray BA and BC, they are forming a line. And since they are forming a, therefore, these two angles, angle ABD and angle DBC, angle DBC are linear pair of angles. Then the next concept is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are formed when two lines intersect each other at a point. In this diagram, you can see line AB and line CD, they are intersecting at point O. Therefore, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. First pair is angle AOD and angle BOC. As you can see in diagram, it is marked by a single arc, angle AOD and angle BOC. This is first pair of vertically opposite angles. Second pair is angle AOC and angle BOD. So this is the second pair of vertically opposite angles. So in this diagram, we can see two lines are intersecting and there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Let's move to the next concept, that is intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. You can see in the diagram 1, there are two lines PQ and RS. They are meeting at point O. So meeting or intersecting at point O, such type of lines are called as intersecting lines. So in the diagram 1 or figure 1, PQ and RS are the intersecting lines. Second figure, it is about the non-intersecting lines. The other name is parallel lines. So non-intersecting lines or parallel lines. Here the line PQ and line RS, they are not intersecting, means they are not meeting each other. Okay? They are extending indefinitely, but even if they are extended, at no point they will intersect each other or they will meet each other. Okay? They will not intersect, that is, they will not meet each other. Such lines are called as non-intersecting lines or parallel lines. So line PQ and line RS are non-intersecting lines, or we can say parallel lines. Here we will below in these 3 points we will see more details about the parallel line. The length of perpendiculars, the length of the perpendiculars at different points on these parallel lines is the same. Okay? If you see in the diagram, there are perpendiculars drawn at the different points B, D, F. The different perpendiculars are AB, CD and EF. So what the first point is saying, that length of all these perpendiculars is same, that is AB is equal to CD is equal to EF. In short, we can say that the length of the perpendicular between two parallel lines is always same. Okay? We can draw here like BDF, we can take many points or infinite points, but the length of all the perpendiculars will be always same or equal. Okay. Next one, second point, this equal length is called the distance between two parallel lines. So the distance between two parallel lines is always the perpendicular distance. It is the smallest distance between two lines, and this perpendicular distance will be the smallest distance between the two parallel lines. Okay. Once again, we will summarize all these 3 points. First one, the length of all the perpendicular between two parallel lines is same or equal. This equal length is called as distance between the two parallel. The perpendicular distance between the two lines is the smallest distance. So whenever if it is asked in the question that find the distance between the two parallel lines PQ and RS, then remember you have to always find the perpendicular distance. Thank you all for watching my video.